In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert audio in Google Sheets. This process is a great way to enhance your spreadsheet by embedding an audio file that can be easily accessed by readers or collaborators. Let's dive right in to see how it's done, step by step. First, you'll want to open your Google Sheet. If you don't have one started yet, you can simply go to your Google Drive and create a new spreadsheet. Once you have your sheet open, identify or decide which cell you'd like to use to host your audio link. Clicking on the cell will allow you to both select it and prepare it for the next steps. Remember that when choosing a cell, try to pick one that makes sense in the context of your sheet's layout and content. Next up, you'll need the audio file that you want to use. Navigate to Google Drive where your audio file is stored. If you haven't already uploaded it, you can do so by hitting the New button in Google Drive and selecting File Upload. Once your file is uploaded or located, right-click on the file to open a context menu. In this menu, look for an option that says Get Link or Copy Link. This action will generate a shareable link for your audio file. It's essential to ensure that this link has the correct permissions. Anyone who needs to listen to this audio should have access. You can adjust the sharing settings as needed, such as allowing anyone with the link to view or access the file. Now let's head back to your Google Sheet. With the cell still selected, paste the copied link into it. This creates an initial hyperlink to your audio file. At this point, you might want to tweak how this link appears in your spreadsheet. To do this, click on Edit Link, usually available from the same menu where you pasted the link. Here, you can type in a text name for the link. This can be the title of the audio file or any descriptive label you prefer, ensuring it makes sense for anyone accessing the sheet. Finally, apply these changes by hitting the Apply button, which will confirm your edits. Now, your link should appear formatted in the way you specified. To check that everything works correctly, click the link in your Google Sheet to open your audio file. This will redirect you to where the file is hosted, allowing you and others to listen to it. And there you have it, a seamless way to include audio in your Google Sheets. Whether you're compiling a list of podcasts, sound bites, or instructional audio, this technique enables greater interaction with your data. Thanks for watching, and happy spreadsheet creating.